Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an everyday makeup look. So if you're ever in a rush or you don't feel like overdoing your makeup, then just keep watching. So first I'm going to start by priming my face, and I'm using Rihanna's primer. And I usually just use a little bit because a little bit goes a long way with this product. So that's what I'm doing right now. And now I'm just rubbing it into my face until it's all in there. Now that I finished doing this, I'm taking my corrective concealer in the color green and I'm just applying it to any red spots or blemishes that are on my face. Now I'm just going to apply my foundation and then I will blend. Now I'm just going to take my e.l.f. concealer and highlight. I also highlight on my nose, above my lip, and also on my chin. I highlight on my forehead and then I do my eyelids as well. For an everyday look, I usually don't let the powder sit on my face for too long. I would just place it on my face and then kind of blend it in with the beauty blender. And then after that, I would also go over my face, the whole entire face, with some more setting powder just so that everything could stick. And now that that's done, I'm just going to take a powder brush and wipe away all the powder. For my everyday look, I put on mascara rather than falsies, and I always do the top and the bottom. And this is from Sephora. It's like the $10 benefit mascara. Now I'm going to go in with this highlight, True Complexion, that I picked up from Target. And it has the highlight, contour, and then the glitter highlights. And just to be a little extra with my highlight, I'm going to go in with Trophy Wife on the areas above my lip, under my brow, and my cheekbones. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Warm Bronzer in replacement of my cream contour. And I will be applying it to my cheeks and the top of my forehead just to give it a little more definition for my everyday look. And I will also be placing this under my jawline to give it some more definition as well. Now that I'm done with this look, I'm going to set it with my e.l.f. setting spray. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a Q&A